Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your preferred app store. Once installed, you'll need to create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to choose a strong password and securely back up your recovery phrase. It's crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device. This initial setup ensures your digital assets are protected from the start. Once your wallet is set up, you'll want to add some funds. You can easily transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account directly into your wallet. Alternatively, you can receive crypto from another person or platform by sharing your unique wallet address. For convenience, you also have the option to purchase cryptocurrency directly within the wallet using a linked bank account or a debit card, making it simple to get started. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To send, simply tap the Send button, enter the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. For receiving, tap Receive to display your unique wallet address or QR code, which you can share with the sender. It's incredibly important to double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction, as crypto transfers are irreversible. A small mistake could mean losing your funds. Coinbase Wallet is more than just a place to store crypto. It's your gateway to the decentralized web. You can explore a vast array of decentralized applications, or dApps, using the integrated browser. It also allows you to manage and proudly display your non-fungible tokens, or NFT, all in one place. Furthermore, you can connect to various decentralized finance protocols, enabling you to engage in activities like lending, borrowing, or staking your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.